pressed it already.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that in focus? We're looking for these on the internet. If everybody knows what they're called properly, can you leave it in the description down below? Because I can't find them. I've been looking for it. I found them one day and I can't find them again. And the idea is, what we're going to do, we're going to put a bit of wire in there. We're extending this. Okay. The simple reason, we'll walk you over in a sec. Just bring that over like so. What it is, Andrew's bike over there, the battery's gone, and
I don't like that connection.
you don't like it?
No, take it off.
Why?
Because I've got waterproof inline ones.
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might be a
We'll
bit
we'll
broken,
change
but
it.
he wants to use these waterproof connectors, not my thing, which is fair enough. And the idea is we're going to join these two together, that way around, of course, like so. And then what we want to do, if you come with me over here, hey, nice bit of kit. I want to try and use this today to go up the woods. 250 Honda, nice. But the battery's dead and we're trying to get hold of a battery, but it's going to take a while. So what we're going to do, we want to connect a wire to the negative, a wire to the positive, put the battery back in, and then I'm taking a spare battery with me on my rucksack. And the idea is, because it's got a I don't know what they're called, Mullinex fitting. They're really good. They come off a wheelchair, battery chargers and whatnot. They've all got them. I've got quite a few. I use them in the motorhome, charging batteries and connecting lights and whatnot. I'm trying to find I found it before on eBay. So if anybody knows what they're called, drop it in the description down below. That'd be really appreciate that. So what we're going to do is put this together. The battery I've got is out of an old wheelchair, and it's got this fitting on the end. So when I get somewhere, if it doesn't start, plug this in. I got a jump battery. CR250L. Yeah. So what we're going to do is show you how to take the side panel off, and then get to the battery, and what we're going to do to make a shortcut. So we have to do all this, so we can just charge the battery or jump the battery when we need to. What's that screw down there, isn't it? It just pops off. It's a nice little contraption, isn't it? Ah, that's your toolkit. So the idea is we're going to try and get a run of wire once we do the terminals on this battery across up through here, yeah, so it's easy access, so you haven't got to take all that off. So we're going to get the seat off now, so we don't want to damage the seat. It's 2 bolts. What do you call this? It's just a Panicky bolts.
Yeah, this just a tailgate frame, is it? Right. And that one. Oh, I see, because they just bolt into the seat then, do they? And then it pulls back. Ah. So the general idea is we're going to put a charge cable in from the battery. We want to come along internally, drill through the top here, because there's a cavity which is not even being used in there. It's not an air filter or anything there, Andrews. No, nothing. No, nothing. So waste of space. That's it. Straight through. Leave that as long as you want, can't you then?
As long as it is. I need the
We're going to put a couple of spade ends on these, not spade, circles. You'll see. Crimp them.
We'll show you as we're going along. So, just measuring how much sleeve to pull off. So we get to yeah, you've got to be, you've got to go behind that because you've got to pull that off, haven't you? Okay. We're going to measure probably the blues in it, I think.
No. Can't be a yellow.
Yeah.
Unless you want them blues. Big, big, big. That's the ones you want.
That's it. That's right.
Too big, isn't it? Double it over, I suppose. Can we?
For the cable.
Yeah.
Any red ones there, Andrew?
No red ones.
We'll have a look at this. There we found some good blue ones. They'll do. Perfect. Yeah, big crimpers them, aren't they? From Snap-on, 40 quid though. Mind you, they are. Look pretty decent. Okay, we'll do the same to the red. We'll get back to it in a sec. Crimp in the red. That's done there as well. Tuck the wire in, through, right round the back. Back through, round the back of the, what's this? I think the indicator, isn't it? Relay?
Some relay.
Doesn't matter anyway. Across, down and back through again. There we go. Nice and tidy. Right round the back. Round, down and through. Right, now for the other end. Big crimpers. Alright, same with the black.
You got a cap for that?
Yep. Let me heat them up. There you go. Okay, do that to both and that'll shrink them. That keeps it watertight. I have to try and get a cap for the end of that like you said, but oh, not in focus. Got it, okay. Finish off with a bit of tape, make it look tidy. There is tape. I haven't got any at home, Andrew. I've got to get some more, but I've got this rubber tape where you stretch it.
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Right back in.
And you stretch it, and then the more you stretch it, the more it bonds to itself, and it's totally waterproof. Okay, that's done. Andrew's just going to pop some silicone, just make sure it's totally watertight. Okay, we're going to plug, this is my auxiliary battery in. This bike's been in storage for a couple of months, we all know why, we don't need to go into that details. So we'll give it a razz now. It was dead before, this should wrap it along. Straight away, because that was the general idea. And then we can unplug it. And then you can just fold it up. Right, so we'll do that. I'll go forward a bit, there's a piece there. That's it. Yeah, it'll go in once you put the cover on, that's it. Job done. So there you go.
Yeah, jump wire.
Well, I've got what I've got at home, because I use these a lot. I've got to get some more of these. I don't know what they're called. I can't remember. I'll have a look.
another end theme.
I've got them. They come standard.
with
so yeah,
with a crocodile clips on the end.
yeah. Or I've got one. I've got an extension wire that goes into here and plugs into the other end, so I can jump the batteries, or I can charge them from the charger, the trickle charger I've got, and that's what we do. That's how we do it. So you could do it with any connections. We're just using this as a yeah. Anyway, there you go, as a demonstration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, give it the thumbs up. The subscribe button's over this side over here, and the next video coming up is over there. Take care, and we'll see you in the next vid.